You mere mortals, what do you guys know about the nectar of the gods? Introducing the Jigger and Dash mead making kit. So mead is actually an alcoholic beverage made by fermenting a combination of honey, yeast, and water. Mead is also otherwise known as liquid gold or honey wine. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what this is all about. The name is pretty interesting, Jigger and Dash. Alright, let's see. Wow, this is exciting. My very first mead making kit. I am not going to lie, guys. I'm a beer drinker and I've never tasted mead. Supposedly it's it's probably the oldest alcoholic beverage known to man. Alright, so straight out of the packaging, here are the contents. 1 gallon glass carboy. You see right there, mead, the drink of the gods. And a rubber stopper. A 3-piece airlock, which goes on top. A racking cane, I think this is what it's known. I just call it a long straw. And a cap, alright. And also a tubing and clamp. This long tubing right here, along with this clamp. And you have a combination of sanitizer package and nutrient packets, which is basically yeast, along with this wine yeast. All right. So looks like we're going to be doing some chemistry today, along with this collapsible funnel, and of course, the mead making instructions guide.